Skeletons don't snore, but they try. Midnight had just begun to stretch across the old willow cemetery when the first rib cage rattled. Clack, clack, clack. "Is it time?" whispered Tibbs the skeleton. Sitting upright from his grave, his skull gleamed faintly in the moonlight. "Yes," yawned Marrow, another skeleton rubbing the back of her neck bone. "It's time for our nightly experiment." The two stood, brushing off moss and moon dust, and shuffled toward the hill. There, by a crooked oak, the others were already gathered. 8 skeletons in all, rattling softly in the cool October air. On the ground was a large, cozy-looking blanket, borrowed from a mausoleum, and a few pumpkin lanterns flickering nearby. "Welcome, everyone," said Tibbs, clearing his non-existent throat. "Tonight's goal is simple. We learn how to sleep." The skeletons murmured and nodded, bones clicking. Marrow raised a bony hand. "Reminder, we have no lungs, no eyelids, and technically no need for rest." "True," said Tibbs, "but that doesn't mean we shouldn't try. The ghosts do it every morning before sunrise." From a distance, a ghost called out, "That's called fading, not sleeping." Tibbs ignored him. "Step 1, he said importantly, "we count sheep." They all lay down on the blanket, bones arranged neatly. 1, 2, 3, Tibbs began.